Today, we are going to discuss one of the biggest questions of our time. Will AI reduce jobs? Many people are worried that AI will replace human workers. But at the same time, companies are using AI to reduce costs, increase productivity, automate repetitive work, and make bigger profits. So the real question is not only whether AI will take jobs, but also who will benefit from AI and who will be left behind. Now, let's move to a conversation between Varsha Raj, our project manager, and Anjali Anuraj, our director of human resources, finance, and operations, to hear their thoughts on AI and the future of jobs.
Many people ask one big question: will AI reduce jobs? What is your thought on this?
The honest answer is AI may reduce some repetitive tasks, but it will also create new roles, new skills, and new opportunities.
What kind of impact is AI creating on jobs and workplace productivity today?
AI is not just replacing people, it is replacing slow, manual, repeated work. For example, tasks like data entry, basic reporting, customer support replies, testing, content drafting, and code suggestions can now be done faster with AI. But companies will still need people to think, decide, manage, verify, communicate, and innovate.
From a business point of view, how does AI help companies become more efficient and profitable?
First, AI saves time. Work that took hours can now be completed in minutes. Second, AI reduces operational cost. A small team can manage more work with the help of automation. Third, AI improves accuracy. It can detect mistakes, analyze large data, and support better business decisions. A company can use AI for customer support, software development, quality testing, marketing, sales, HR, accounting, and business intelligence. For example, an AI chatbot can support customers 24/7. An AI coding assistant can help developers build faster. AI analytics can help management understand what is working and what is not. The future is not only AI replacing humans. The real future is humans using AI to become more productive. People who learn AI tools will have more value. Companies that adopt AI early will save cost, increase speed, and improve profit.
What advice would you give to employees who are worried about AI and the future of jobs?
So the question is not will AI take jobs? The real question is, are we ready to work smarter with AI?
So the answer is clear. AI will not replace everyone, but people who use AI may replace people who don't. This is the right time to learn, adapt, and grow with AI. Start using AI in your daily work, improve your skills, and move ahead with confidence. Log in to nblikai.com today and start your career boldly. The future belongs to those who are ready.